Hi there, Emmanuel here, and today I want to actually show you how we trade in our group, how we trade using Smartmonics and the Harmonic Scanner, and how it alerts you to trades and it actually shows you where to get in. It's so objective, and I'm going to walk you through that and how you can get help with all of this, because most of these charts are marked up by the person that we trade with in our group, one of the top educators in the academy. His name's Manny, and he marks things up for you, and this scanner alerts you when to go and trade and how to trade. There's 3 very simple steps that you walk through, and once those 3 boxes are ticked, you take the trade. And as well as that, in a second, I'm actually going to give you access to the group that we trade with and these 2 trading strategies, which you get all completely for free as a member. You get all of this included: the scanner, the markings, the live webinars by Manny on a Tuesday, Wednesday and a Thursday at 1 p.m. UK time, where he comes on and tells you the trades that he personally would be getting in himself. So you've got a top educator helping you, and also, you know, you get access to our ATH. So you get all of this for free as a member. I've never seen a group with so much value. And you can come and train and trade with us next week. This is the recordings. I'm going to show you how to get access to this for next week completely for free. In a second, I'll show you that. But I want to walk you through this trade. So here's the scanner that we use. It's called a Harmonic Scanner. Now, this alerts you to the pairs you should go and look at, which really helps people when you first start trading. Because one of the things people say, you know, which time frames do I trade, which pairs do I trade? So all of that hassle is taken away from you. This is 1 hour, so you're trading on the 1 hour chart, or you're being alerted on the 1 hour chart, and these are the pairs. So this morning, I missed this. Unfortunately, I was fast asleep. It was 7 o'clock in the morning, 8 hours ago, USD CAD. There would have been an alert. It was on my phone, or you can get it emailed to you as well, to say, come and have a look at the USD CAD, because it's setting up with our patterns. So there it is. This is what we call the D point. When the D point's low, it's going to be a buy. So it's telling you there's a potential buy on the USD CAD. So it would have gone off here at this D point. So what we do now, we make sure it's in what we call a logical area. I'm not going to go through all of that, because that's taught on these lives, and it's taught every day, and we show you how to do that, how to find logical areas. But just know that this is in a very logical area. So what we do then, we drop down from the 1 hour to the 15 minute, because this is where we're wanting to enter, and we want to enter off the 15 minute chart. So when we're on the 15, there's a D. When we're on the 15, what we're waiting for now is something we call the shift candle. This candle right here with a little arrow. I hope you can see that. Let me see if I can make it look. See this one here? After the D, this is the first one with this arrow. Now we want to make sure that's a qualifying candle, a qualifying shift candle. So it has to have a little gap, which it has done, and it has to fit all these criterias here. I'll show you what I mean. If I just get this line so I can line it up. So there, this is that one there, yeah. Alright, so it has to be blue, going through this line here, which it is. This has to be blue as well. This has to be blue over red, and this has to be blue over red. All of that fits, you can see. Blue over red, blue, blue. So that is a qualifying candle. Let me show it to you on the chart, because it's a lot easier to see. So it's this candle here. This one here. That's the same candle as that one there. Yeah, USD CAD, 15 minute. That's your candle here. One of the beauties of being in our group as well, which other people in this same academy don't have, is that we also have another indicator called the ATH. And that's another form of trading that we use, but this really works well with this Smartmonics. So we got the D here. It's about there. So roughly, where was it? Somewhere about there-ish. So now, once the D goes, the beauty that we have, we can just put our ATH indicator on and walk away. You see, the D went off here. So what's that? 1, 2, 3, that's 1 hour. That's almost an hour and a half before the shift candle. An hour and a half, we can just come to this thing, hear the D, put our indicator on to say, let me know when there's an up arrow, because it's it's almost the same candles almost always as the shift candle here. We get one here, we come to the chart, you look at this, you think, right, it's got everything, it's all lined up like we just saw, it all lines up, so it's a go. That's your candle there. So where we put where we put the so it was there. Yep, that's your shift candle there. I'm going to take this off now. So where we put the trade is this shift candle, the one just before, the little gap. So just the one before, the candle before. Stop loss would be the low, so it'd be there. And that's it. Put that trade on. You walk away, spit all the criteria. If it comes and brings you in and triggers you and you win, excellent. Usually your risk rewards are really, really good. On this one, we would be going to here, what we call the ideal goal 1, which is there. You know, and that's it. You just walk away and then you come back. And this is what happened with this one. It triggered you in. And boom. There you go. That's easily a 1 to 7. 1 to 7. That's like I was saying earlier. That means that for every 1% you risk, you could receive 7%. If you risk 2%, that's a 14% increase on your account in a few hours' time. 1 to 7. That means you could afford to get 6 of your trades wrong and still be in profit. And if you wanted to hold it where it is actually now, we're looking at a 1 to 13 of one trade, hand delivered to you, told you where to go. You just fit those criteria. If everything fits, you know, everything fits, blue, 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 arrows, everything fits, you set the pending order, you walk away, you take the trade, and a lot of the times you come back to these sorts of wins, you know. So I hope you can see that this isn't difficult to do when all these things are given to you. You know, it's an objective way to trade, and you just follow these steps. You just follow these steps and look at the kind of rewards you can get, and you can afford to lose more than you win, like I said. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you want to come and trade with us and train with us for next week, like I said, these recordings every single day. They go from Monday all the way through to Friday. They start at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is 5 p.m. GMT. You can see every day, 1.5 hours. So they're not very, you know, they're not like 5-minute webinars. They're live and they're going over the strategy. They're showing you this Smartmonics in action. They're explaining the things I just explained to you there, the trades they got into, how to use the 88 strategy as well, all of that. And you can ask as many questions as you want. If you're interested in that and you want to get access to that, then I'll just leave a link below this video. Scroll to the bottom of this video, click on that, and once you've opted in, you get completely free access to our trading for next week. Yes, but either way, I hope you got some value from this. If you did, please take a second, just give it a thumbs up. Also share it with anyone else you think could get some value from it as well. And, you know, I look forward to seeing you in our group, hopefully. But if not, you have a great day, and I'll speak to you soon. All the best. Take care.